Welcome back, IB Economics students, to this first real video lecture of macroeconomics. Today, we're going to be looking at the circular flow of income model. So what right here on the left-hand side, we have an interesting diagram, a model illustrating economic activity within an oversimplified economy. So what does the circular flow of income model actually measure? Okay, so the model measures economic activity and economic endeavors that occurs within a simplified economy. Okay, why do I say this is a simplified economy? Because there are numerous sectors of the economy that is not considered. For example, exports and imports. For example, we are not considering venture capitalists in this economy model. So this circular flow of income model measures, okay, or shows, okay, this model shows economic activity and economic endeavors that occurs within a simplified economy, right? So we can see four main parties. We can see the product market, we can see the firms, we can see the consumers, or the people, or the civilians, the workers. We can also see the factories, okay? So consider the consumers, okay? The consumers are normal people, okay? Middle class people, okay? They, okay, firms, okay? Firms utilize the factor market. Okay, the factor market. So consumers, people are these are laborers. Okay, these are laborers. So laborers work in the factor market to produce goods for the firms. Okay, firms produce goods for the product market. The product market, that of which is consumed by the consumer market. Okay, so you can see this loop. Okay, consumers go to the factor market to create goods. The goods are created by firms. The firms sell to the product market, and the product market sells back to the consumers. Okay. So this is the flow of product. The inner circle that is going counterclockwise is illustrative of the flow of goods. Okay, the outside arrow that flows clockwise illustrates the flow of capital. Okay, so firms they pay consumers to produce goods, and consumers they pay firms in order to buy goods. Okay, so we can see this circular flow. However, we also have the financial sector. The financial sector is where firms go to lend money in order to expand. Also, where consumers go to lend money for domestic banking purposes. So this is therefore the circular flow of income model is greatly and highly simplified. Okay, within this factor, okay, within this circular flow of income model, what are leakages in the economy? So leakages in the economy includes anything like domestic savings, corporate savings. We also have taxes. Okay, so these are all things that are considered as leakages. Leakages are factors that take away from the circular flow of income. Okay, so for example, domestic saving. When a worker, okay, when a factory worker saves money, he is taking money out of the circular flow of income. Therefore, less money is circulating within the economy, leading to a leakage to occur. Corporate savings is also very similar. Okay, when corporate choose to have savings, leakages occur in the economy where capital is taken out of the circular flow. Instead of reinvesting into the businesses, instead of reinvesting into production and factors of production, corporate savings take money out of the circular flow. Furthermore, taxes is another example of leakages within the economy, where both corporations and domestic consumers pay money to the government, and therefore reducing income and reducing circulated currency and circulated capital within the circular flow of income. Okay, leakages therefore are very bad for the economy. So that is why many economists do. That are good for the for saving. Okay, saving is actually in some sense bad for the economy, but good for the individual doing so. Once again, tragedy of the commons, where people act in the self-interest instead of the interest of the collective. So injections in the economy. Okay, what are injections in the economy? For example, fractional reserves. Okay, where banks get to lending out money, stimulus. Government stimulus. For example, the $1,200 government stimulus under the Trump administration to curb the effects of COVID-19, government stimulus. For example, we also have government projects, structure projects. Okay, so these are all injections into the economy, money injections into the economy, the capital sector, as well as the government sector may have for into the economy. So I hope this video is helpful in illustrating the circular flow of incomes, the circular flow of income model, as well as talking about the leakages and the injections, plus what the circular flow is actually about. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope to see you guys in the next one, where we will be talking about the relevance of this in relation to GDP, GNI, rGDP, and nGDP. I hope this video is helpful, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.